Welcome to today's video. Today, me and
JMoney
will be making some slime today. I'm not going to use my mic because I don't want to get slime on it, but I'm going to grab some Tide. All you need is Tide.
Don't we need shaving cream?
Yeah. Tide, shaving cream, and glue. Okay. I guess I'll use this. I don't want to use too much stuff. Okay. So, we're going to go get all the ingredients when we'll see back, or I'll come back to you in a minute. Guys, we're back. We got some Tide, shaving cream, spoons, paper towels, and bowls. Oh, wait, I'm going to go get my glue. Okay, so I got my glue here, and so basically...
You guys can go watch the behind the scenes on my Insta.
Yeah. If you know his Instagram.
Joao_ is here.
But wait.
Wait, I have a private account.
This isn't live.
Oh,
either,
yeah, I forgot.
So it doesn't matter. Can you open this? I got weak hands. It's hurting me. It's hurting me.
That was easy.
I know it was, but I just didn't want to do it. Okay.
Oh!
Dude, just don't.
Peep. I'm gonna lick it. I'm just kidding. Dude, isn't
So you
it good for your skin?
No. As much glue as you want.
You're gonna use the whole bottle.
That's good. I'm not gonna have too much because I only have a little bottle.
Oh.
That's good.
Watch Gabby like, I want to play with you when we're done. Don't get any on my new shirt. Hollis,
yeah.
Peep it. Dude, this is fun to do in class. Just like put like glue on your hands and just like.
Oh yeah, rub it. Okay, so
make like
this is how much glue I have. Same thing.
Alright, I need this, so I'm gonna mix it.
No.
I mixed it.
Not yet, dude. Okay.
Oh, I touched it.
Good for you.
No, I'm playing, guys. I don't like that.
All right, make sure you don't get it all over the place because we're gonna get in trouble.
Yeah. I made one really good slime in my whole life. And it was that blue one that just sucked like a week after.
We could add more Tide if we want.
Make sure you like don't burn anything.
Burn anything?
I know I'm playing. Like, because this can actually like infect you or something.
It can?
No, it's
if
this
you
other,
eat
it's this other product that you need like parent supervision to work with.
Okay. You don't think that we need parent supervision for all this? They're in the basement. Alright, so now you're going to mix it.
Let's do this, my favorite part.
I'm going to put a little bit too much Tide, but it's alright.
Not on mine, you think you did.
So we got...
Oh, that's nice.
Our Tide in.
Wait, is this how you learned at Dom or Jason's house?
Yeah.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
And it came out good?
Yeah, it's decent.
That one that I touched?
Yeah. We're going to mix it till...
Dude, it looks so chunky.
It gets together, so... We're gonna get lotion, and that's gonna help us a little bit because it's kind of falling apart. A little bit. It's not falling apart. It's just I don't know how to explain.
This is the worst
It's not
slime
stretchy.
I've ever seen in my life.
Dude, she has made over 400 slimes.
I need
Does this lotion work?
Yeah, any lotion's fine. Alright, let me see your bowl. I can't see. Alright, now pump in the lotion. I'll tell you when to stop. I can't see. Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4.
I think that's.
Alright, you're good. That's good. And then just keep mixing it. And if it gets all over your hands, just keep mixing it until everything's.
And then just wash our hands.
Yeah.
Can you take my spoon out? It's gonna tip over my bowl.
5 pumps.
Thank you.
Oh wait, this is actually sticking kind of solid.
Can I have lotion? I need it.
I got you 5 pumps. Put it in the bowl.
Mm-hmm.
I'm turning into a
this one.
I got it. Move your hand.
Just do 4, actually.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah,
Mix.
I think
Just
that'll
keep
be okay.
mixing.
And then when it's like coming off the side of
Okay.
the bowl, pick it up with your hands. And then if it gets all over your hands, just keep like stretching it like this and like.
Oh my god! She just pulls out a piece of slime and just started stretching it.
It's falling apart more.
It's turning rock solid. Not rock solid, but it's turning pretty solid, so that's pretty good. At least we have like a slime
I
prototype.
think we need glue because it's not like.
Do we need more glue?
Let me see how it looks. Yeah, I think you put too much shaving cream, so that's what happens when you need more glue.
I didn't barely do any shaving cream.
I think it was the Tide. We put a lot of Tide.
Well, the Tide makes the glue turn into slime, and then the shaving cream makes it like rubbery. I think you could use
I might have some Elmer's glue.
What could you use to make it stick together more? Oh shoot, I'm still filming.
you could use glue or lotion.
Guys, so are we good?
Such a nice person.
At least mine is.
Dude, it's getting
So I was turning into liquid.
No, mine is
Wasn't
it.
it? Mine's perfect right now.
Guys, peep Kayla in the back.
I need a little bit more lotion.
Say hi to a YouTube video, Kayla.
Okay.
Yeah, she said, oh hey. Dude,
Yeah.
I'm making weird shapes out of it.
We got J-Lo's friend to
It's not J-Lo's. Kayla, can
Oh,
you please teach her
Jow's.
that it's not J-Lo's?
JMoney's friend to
J-O's.
Yeah.
J-O's, right.
Peep downstairs.
Alright. Well, YouTube, we got it. I'm gonna come back. Gucci hat. Alright, we got the slime ready.
Oh, Kayla!
It's all good now.
Yeah, look at this.
Wrap it up.
Yep, I got a bag to keep it in. Got extra glue here.
Run. It's literally gonna
Glue it like a
collapse.
ball.
Hi, YouTube.
Say hi. Oh wait, you just did. That's Kayla, guys. That's my brother's friend. There's his Gucci hat.
Dude! Oh my! Blur that out. Blur
Why?
the word.
Why? It's true though. It is.
It is.
Because someone gave it to you.
And it's real, like I was it.
I don't know why. That's alright. I don't care.
Dude, don't snap. Dude, slime friends. Slime friends for life. Brie, are we slime friends?
That was my friend's YouTube channel name.
He probably is gonna watch this video.
That was. So this is the slime, guys. It's super good. We have lotion.
Dude, what if we put
glue,
oatmeal on...
shaving cream, and detergent. So like we use Tide.
No detergent.
Yeah, we did.
And lotion and water.
Yeah, lotion, water. Oh yeah, we put it in. We soaked
And
it in warm
electricity.
water.
Because of the water, you get it?
And Kayla.
Dude, I need to do
Oh
something.
yeah, we
I'm
couldn't
gonna
have
do
done
that.
this without Kayla.
I'm gonna
So
I'm gonna do the slime twist.
dude, it's hitting the sink.
I want to try to do the slime twist.
This slime's just alright. I'll see y'all later. So see you in the next video, guys.
Sorry.
It's gonna take me forever to edit this.
I'm just so
because
happy that this
I
is
gotta
working.
bleep out because somebody said the school name. And I'll see y'all later. So
I
stay
wonder who
awesome.
said
Work
that.
hard. Smile. That
Yeah,
was
peace
you.
out, YouTube.
You. Alright. Bye, guys.
Dude,
Bye.
Bree's like, I gotta test out the slime. Slaps it against the floor like this.
Ready?
Oh, not like that.
I know he does.
I'm dying of laughter. What's up? Dude, stop filming. I'm gonna throw slime with the iPad.
Listen,
Alright,
ready?
I'll call you guys later.
Oh, wait. Why?